Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jessica. I'm the other half of Signature Sudz. And look, I know y'all are used to seeing Rob, but you got me today, okay? And we are actually going to talk about essential oils. Essential oils are my favorite part of our product. And obviously, they provide scent and they make your house smell great. But there are a lot of cool benefits to essential oils that I want to share with y'all today. So let's jump into it. So obviously, essential oils make your home smell good, but they can actually change the way you feel. They can boost your mood, they can help with stress, anxiety. They have so many benefits beyond just making your home smell great. We use them for smell. It's a natural way to scent your home without all the toxic fragrances that you find in most cleaning products. They also are antibacterial, they're antifungal, and antiviral. So when people ask, do natural products actually clean? Well, yeah, the essential oils are actually a part of the cleaning. And like I said, they can also boost your mood. So think stress relief, anxiety relief. They're actual oils that will help with depression. So when you're cleaning, you can actually look at this as an act of self-care, which we all can use a little more of, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's start with the classics. The classics are those essential oils that you always want to keep on hand because they are just, the possibilities are endless with them, right? Citrus oils, think lemon, orange. Those are the ones that are just nice and crisp. They have a great smell. They're energy boosters. They make your space just feel alive and vibrant. Some of the benefits are that they actually are antifungal. They cut grease. They help clean and disinfect. So they smell great and they have really great properties to them as well. All right, so next up would be lavender. Everybody loves lavender, right? Lavender is one of those essential oils that is calming, it's soothing. Think your nighttime, bedtime routine. Little lavender oil on your pillowcases or your sheets and just snuggle into that great smell. So lavender is always a good one to keep around. Next up, peppermint. So we actually do a frankincense and peppermint combination, and those two oils together are a powerhouse. Think cozy, they're stress relievers, and peppermint oil is actually great as a bug repellent. So if you have maybe ants or the little sugar ants you get in your kitchen, also it helps repel mice, definitely one that you want to keep around. Rounding out the classics, we have eucalyptus. Everybody loves eucalyptus. We actually do a lemongrass and eucalyptus combo, and you just get this spa-like freshness that just fills your home, and it just really, really relaxes you, calms your stress, and it's a great oil that you always want to have on hand. Now let's get into more of the specialty oils. Now these aren't oils that we actually use in our products, but they are great to have on hand. And if you want to spice it up, especially if you're doing like our DIY kits and you're going to create your own scents, these are ones that you definitely want to grab. Tea tree oil. Everybody knows the benefits of tea tree oil. Antibacterial, antifungal. This is one of those oils that you always want to keep on hand, especially in your bathrooms. It's going to help fight all the bacteria in there. Even in your kitchen, tea tree oil is a really great oil with a lot of powerful benefits. Next up, rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is great for memory and focus. And if you're old like me, you need all the help you can get. So if you want to grab some rosemary oil, it has an earthy, clean scent, and it does really provide that clarity and focus that, we all need. So the next two are clove and cinnamon. Now, these oils are nice and warm and cozy. I really love to grab these over the fall season when the weather gets a little chillier. Clove oil is actually really great if you want to do your own mouthwash. It has antibacterial qualities that help fight germs and plaque in your mouth. It doesn't taste that great, so be sure you don't swallow too much of it, but it's a great oil to keep around in your bathroom. All right, and last up is grapefruit oil. Again, grapefruit is in that citrus category, so it has that nice, fresh, crisp, bright scent, and grapefruit oil is actually great for relieving stress. So keep that one handy. If you have a stressful day, grapefruit oil is a great way to go. Now that we've discussed the benefits of each oil, let's kind of jump into how to use them. So obviously we make natural cleaning products and we use the essential oils in our cleaning products for the scent benefits and all the properties that they have. But if you're doing your own at home, remember, a little goes a long way. Essential oils are potent, okay? So you don't need a lot, maybe 10 to 12 drops per bottle. And then you can actually mix and match different ones together and make your own custom scents. If you want something that's like fresh and energizing, maybe a lemon and peppermint would be a nice, bright scent to use. If you're looking for something a little more calming, lavender, orange, those essential oils go really well together to create a calming vibe. And if you're looking for a germ buster, tea tree and eucalyptus, that is a really good combination that you can use in your bathroom, your kitchen, again, anywhere where you need to fight germs. So instead of just picking an oil at random or, combining things, you can actually match your oil to the job and the overall vibe of the room. That way, cleaning feels intentional and it kind of sets the vibe and the mood in your home. For your kitchen, think bright, crisp scents like the lemon, orange. Those two oils are great. They brighten up the space and they cut grease. Citrus oils actually cut the smell of like whatever you're cooking. So if you're cooking fish, reach for the lemon and orange essential oils. In the bathroom, if you're looking for something antibacterial with those fresh spa vibes, you can go for tea tree and eucalyptus oil. So in the bedroom, if you're looking for something with those kind of vibes, lavender and cedarwood are a great combo. Whether you are trying to eliminate toxic fragrances, make your home truly clean, or just add a little fun to your daily chores, essential oils are the secret weapon. And if you want to learn how to pair these oils with our Signature Sudz DIY kits, be sure to check out our course, or you can also subscribe for our monthly subscription boxes. We'll see y'all in the next video. That was for booty.